Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get yourself organized within a Davinci project. So to start with all this, you want to change onto the media page by clicking here. And as you can see in the bottom you have like your media pool. So there's just one folder here right now, it's called master, but of course you can get more organized. And it basically works like Windows Explorer or any other file manager application that you know. So what you can do, you can add folders. Well, folders within Davinci Resolve are called bins. So you click on add bin and you create a new folder. In this case it names it bin 9 because I have already been adding folders in here. But you probably want to rename it to something more recognizable. So as I know I will be using images in my project, I just rename the bin and call it images. So let's say we want to get organized a little bit more. And I opened up the source structure of my hard drive where I store the files that I'm going to be using in my project. So in this case, it's my external drive, it's an SSD, and I have like a sources folder with all the stuff that I'm going to use in this project. So if I go into images, you see I have 5 images there, but it's like one map, as you can see, and then there are several images I'm going to use. So I can add another bin or folder here and I just call it maps. And I select it, get onto here, right click, add to media pool, where you also could just drag and drop it in, and you have it here. Create a new folder, call this one pictures. Get into the folder, add into media pool. Voila, you have it here. So here you have a basic structure of images, but of course in my project I'm going to use sounds for sure. So I'm going to get back into the root folder again, create add bin, and add an audio folder. Well, now I want to get myself a bit more organized in terms of audio source material. So I probably will have some music. So I just add another folder, call it music, and one more for my sounds. Then get into the source structure, add it to the music folder. I do the same with sounds, add it. So now I have all my material that I'm going to need for the project nicely organized in here. After that I'm going to do the same thing for video clips I'm going to use. So I add a new bin, call it clips. Again, choose the source material, add it into the media pool, and again I have it in my repository of source material for my project. Another nice feature of the Davinci media pool is that you can color tag your files and your folder structure within the pool. So for instance, I want to color tag all my image folders in green. So right click on the structure, choose color tag and choose the color that you want. In my case it's going to be green. And then I'm going to color all my audio structure, let's say in blue. Color tag blue. And the clips, they are going to be red. If you change to the edit page, you will see that you have the same settings here. So it's very easy to choose the right files from your structure within the edit or within the cut page. So now what's interesting in the Davinci Media Pool is you have two more sorts of special folders that you can add here. But first of all, you have to activate it. So you get into View, and here you see two menu entries. One is called Smart Pins and the other one is Power Pins. So let's just start with the Power Pins. Click it and you see you have a new Power Pin here. So what does that mean? Well, Power Pins stay within your application no matter what project you're working on. So if you add some structure here, it will be inserted into a new project that you create. So for instance, you might always use the same intro clip in all your projects. So you put it in here, and whenever you start a new project, it will be automatically added to the media pool of your new project. In my opinion, this is a very, very powerful function because if you're doing YouTube videos, you will use the same stuff again and again, and that's a very, very easy way to organize it. So the other type of pin that you can use in Davinci Media Pool is the Smart Pins. Let's just add it here using View and then click on Show Smart Pins. And what you actually can do is you can make this pin intelligent. So right click here, add Smart Pin, and now you get like a filter window where you can choose the attributes that a clip has to have to be visible in here. So in my case, I'm going to say I want to see all the source material that has a specific name or contains a specific letter. So in my case, I use shroom because I know there is one image or one clip in here. Create Smart Pin, and you can see it's here automatically because there is one clip called shroom, and it will be added to the Smart Pin. And you can rename it, of course, call it shrooms. So if you have several clips that are called shrooms, I have the name shroom within the name, it will be added automatically here. What you also can do is you can filter your content here by color. So to do this, click on this little arrow, and you see now show all is selected, but if I choose blue, only the blue file structure will be visible within the media pool, and that also applies to the other pages. Well, I hope this little video was helpful to you guys. If you liked it, you might want to consider to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. It would be very, very helpful for me. Until next time, and goodbye.